suffix equals to prefix into array of I, which is nums of I, and for suffix I will find suffix of into nums of I minus n minus I minus 1. This will do this like that, and after this you just have to also rewrite the value answer equals to maximum of answer and maximum of prefix comma suffix. After this you just have to return the answer. Let's run this code. Okay, there is an error in which there is suffix into. I have to do into. Let's again run this. This works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.